Well, actually, I've been... Opo. Nag-start po ako ng singing venture ko po since high school pa. Totoo po niya, high school. I was way back pa po. Tapos medyo sineryoso ko lang po siya nung nagsimula na po tayo magtrabaho. I was able to write my own songs. Tapos before, I used to be part of a band. It's somehow underground band po siya na medyo nagkakaroon po ng pangalan during the time. The band's name was Treadstone. We were Treadstone po. Treadstone. Kami po yung, modesty aside po, kami po yung Metro Manila champion ng Red Horse Music Laban last 2006 po po.
So you're from Davao?
From Manila po.
Oo, pero paano kayo napunta ng Davao ng band?
Davao po?
Oo, sabi mo na nalo kayo.
Music Laban.
Music Laban.
Music Laban.
Red Horse Music Laban po.
Paano kung Davao?
Red Horse Music Laban po, yun po, nanalo po tayo. Tapos we started touring all over the country. Ayun po, care of course, yung San Miguel. Tapos
anong year yun?
2006 po.
2006.
With the band po, which is Treadstone po. Treadstone po yung name ko.
Gano'ng katagal ka doon?
I was with Treadstone until 2008, 2009. Pero
almost 3 years.
Opo.
As vocalist?
As vocalist po. And at the same time, nag-rhythm guitars din po ako sa banda. Now, reality struck. Nung medyo na po, I settled down. Tapos I transferred from Makati to Antipolo. Pero ayun po, dahil andun pa rin sa puso ko yung igting ng musika. Ayun, yung igting ng musika na sa akin pa rin po is kaya tinuloy ko pa rin po siya by forming another band which is called Silangan. Kung bakit po Silangan is because I lived in the East, so Antipolo po, so Silangan. Nakasama ko din yung mga so-called my bandmates during that time. Now, towards the pandemic, doon po nag-start yung solo career ko. So syempre, nagkaroon po tayo ng kaunting yearning, searching for what you can do, for what you can provide for our country, for the family, ayun po. So, there was a time na I tried singing my own songs na hindi po talaga rock-rock. By the way po, yung Treadstone po kasi is really hard rock. Sobrang hard rock. If it's somehow the likes of Wolfgang, Razorback, One. Now, pero during that time with Treadstone po kasi, with my band, nagkaroon po ako ng mga songs na medyo mainstream ang tunog, medyo hugot po ang tunog, na hindi ko po mailabas with Treadstone because hindi naman sa nahihiya ako, kaya lang hindi po bagay doon sa genre na tinutugtog ko during that time. So I just kept it aside, tapos it so happened po na during the pandemic noong 2020, nung tinugtog ko yung isang song na which is called Angel in You, tapos tinanong ng wife ko, whose song is that? Sabi niya, it's mine. I-YouTube mo, i-try mo i-post sa YouTube. Tapos after that po, may mga online radio stations na nagkagusto. So I was encouraged to record this on Spotify. Nagsimula lang po ako sa Spotify noong 2022 lang.
And then?
Nung pandemic din po, kalagitnaan po ng pandemic. And thank God, and God willingly po, nagustuhan po siya ng mga online radio stations. Then eventually po, nagustuhan din po siya ng Barangay LS 97.1. So as of this moment, if I'm not mistaken, I have 6 songs being played at Barangay LS 97.1, including my own Christmas song, which is called My Kind of Christmas. At kasama rin po yung latest single ko po, yung Laya.
So you have 6 songs na nag-start sa Spotify noong 2022.
Actually, hindi lang po 6 yan. Ito lang po yung mga napatugtog sa radyo.
Ikaw ang compositor.
Ako po yung nag-compose niyan. Ako po yung singer-songwriter.
Singer-songwriter. Ano yung mga inspiration mo, Nads? Sa paggawa ng musika mo?
I'm inspired by faith, by love, and by giving hope to our country. Yun naman talaga yung sinimulan ko. Actually, nung nasa Treadstone pa ako nung time na yon, ang pinaka-purpose and goal po namin is to spread positivity, to spread love, to spread hope, and of course, to spread social awareness para sa mga makikinig, sa mga possible listeners. Kaya lang, medyo rock po yung kaya medyo ang dating po nung kanta natin is, during that time is medyo ma-preachy. now, as with my solo career, as with my solo songs po, pinararamdam ko this is my more personal take on how life is and how we can be provided with hope, with love, and with faith through these songs that I'm doing right now. Na medyo, sabi nga ng mga nakikinig po, hindi pa rin nawawala yung alternative rock mood nung kanta. Pero still, medyo nasa level na po siya na
Anong
mainstream.
genre mo ng singer?
Ngayon po, masasabi ko po, pop, alternative rock po.
Pop.
Pop rock.
Pop rock po.
Oo.
Especially
Not-
this song po. Opo.
Yeah, ano yung story behind Laya? Yung
This-
new single mo.
Okay, the story behind Laya is actually a celebration of finally coming out after the pandemic. Actually, ang totoo po niyan, karamihan po ng mga Tagalog songs ko na nilabas ko po this year, during the past years until this year is, ano po, ayan po. Ito po. Good afternoon po. Good afternoon po. It's okay po. Okay lang po.
He's